Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake at home without egg. First, gather your ingredients like cream cheese, sugar, and a thickener. For the crust, combine 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan. Chill the crust while you prepare the filling for best results. This easy method ensures a stable base for your creamy dessert. Now, let's create that luscious filling. In a large bowl, beat 2 8-ounce blocks of softened cream cheese with 1 cup of granulated sugar until smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For an egg substitute, dissolve 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in 1/4 cup of milk, or use 1 packet of unflavored gelatin prepared according to package directions. Gently fold this into your cream cheese mixture until just combined. Avoid overmixing to keep it light. Once your filling is ready, carefully pour it over the chilled graham cracker crust in your springform pan. Use a spatula to spread the mixture evenly, ensuring a smooth top. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. Place your cheesecake in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. For the best texture and easiest slicing, I highly recommend chilling it overnight. This allows the cheesecake to set perfectly, giving you that firm, creamy consistency everyone loves. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Once your cheesecake is perfectly set, you can add your favorite toppings. Fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries, a drizzle of chocolate ganache, or a homemade fruit compote all work wonderfully. Garnish just before serving to ensure everything looks its best. And hey, while you're enjoying your delicious dessert, why not let a robot handle the cleanup? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a game changer for keeping your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.